Good afternoon. My name is Robert Barber, and this is Literature Review number 6. We're going to be doing some training using deep learning in MATLAB. So I'm going to run this, and as you can see, we have got what we're training our data on. And then we have our 400 iterations that are running. And basically how this is working is we're training the stacked autoencoders for image classification using the data set of numbers 1 through 9, or 0 through 9. And then once we've trained the first autoencoder, then we can visualize the weights of the first autoencoder and then move on to train the second autoencoder. And then we can form the stacked neural network. And then finally we can fine-tune the deep neural network, and then we can come up with a summary. So as we can see, we've got approximately 110 or so iterations done already of the 784 inputs that we're trying. A little over halfway there. And so essentially how this works is we're training using deep learning through the neural network to get the machine to understand the different variations of the way numbers look. And then we're going to use a set of test data to run through and see what the accuracy is on whether or not the machine can predict or understand the numbers based off the test data, if it can recognize the numbers that we're trying to give it based off of the training that we gave it. So we're about 3/4 of the way there almost. Alright, now that it's done with that, it's going to start training it on the second round of encoders. You see that it works a lot faster after the first one. And now we're getting into the fine-tuning. Alright, and we have actually finished fine-tuning, and we have reached the minimum gradient. We can see that we've had 784 inputs, ran through 2 different encoders through the softmax layer, and gave us an output of 10. Alright, and here we have the confusion matrix. As we can see, we had the numbers 0 through 9 ran, the number of times they were ran, and then in the end, we ended up with a 98.7% success rate of being able to target the test data with a 1.3% failure rate. Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching.